Hello everyone, welcome to the ichimokucharts.com daily analysis for gold for Friday, August the 28th. Well, in terms of the size of the bodies of the candles today, we had a positive day for the bulls today. The body of the current candle is green, and the size of it has extended quite substantially compared to the previous 3 days as the market was trying to rally. That means that on the day from open to close, the bulls have made some solid net progress, and some larger net progress than they have over the previous 3 days. Negative for this market, though, is this long shadow on the top of the candle. And the market's rallied into this highlighted area on the chart, and that's an area where there's been previous strong downside pressure on the market. And it's an area, quite a large area of resistance for this market, and the sellers have come in, and the market tried to trade up above this 960 level again. The sellers have come in and sold the market off. So even though the bulls have made net progress, they weren't strong enough to close the market up near the highs and take out this previous swing high or this area of resistance at 960. They showed very little commitment to maintaining the control that they fought hard to win throughout the day. Now, the market did close roughly around the mid-range level, and that tells us that even though the bulls have lost the commitment that they had during the day, the bears weren't strong enough either to take control of this market, and neither side took control throughout the day from between the high and the low. So even though the market is a green candle and there was selling coming in as the market tried to rally, the bears do not have any power whatsoever. And the positive for the market is that we have this green candle and the bulls have made net progress on the day, whereas the bears haven't. So there are some positive signs for this market, although fairly weak positive signs. Now, looking at the configuration of the high and the low, we have a continuation of the high and higher low for this market, and that means that the trend is still up. And that's a positive for this market as well. We also had a breakout up above the Kumo or the cloud. And for the previous 3 candles, the market was trading within the cloud, and that's generally a neutral market. We had a lot of this indecisive trading within the cloud, and we had a breakout above. Now, whether we call this a solid breakout or a bullish breakout, it's not terribly bullish. So we need to be very careful of taking any of these signals from these breakouts from Kumos when we don't get extremely bullish signals, especially when the top of the Kumo is flat. When the top of the Kumo is flat, we can tend to get false breakouts, and we need to be aware of that. And the thing that worries me about taking any signal from this, besides the fact that we've got very strong resistance overhead, it's the fact that we had this selling coming in from the long shadow on the top of this candle. So I think we need to be very careful of the bullishness in this market at the moment. We really do need to watch the high of the current candle, which is at around 963, for that to be taken out for this uptrend to continue, and then the resistance at 971. If the market can approach that resistance and have a solid close up around that level, then it's building a bit of momentum, and there might be a chance that we can take out the 971 level. If we do take out the 971 level with a bullish close, then the market will most likely trade to around 1,000. But we need to do that yet. If the market does come off, then we might see the top of the Kumo hold as an area of support. We also have potential support at the Tenkan-sen and the Kijun-sen. And there's a lot of support all the way down through here, and we can see from the shadows here where buyers have come in. All the way down through the cloud, there's potential support. There's support at 930. There's support, strong support down around 900 roughly. So very strong support for this market. So that will limit any potential sell-off that the market will have, and it will potentially find support down around here. We're approaching a very strong area of resistance, but if we have some solid closes up through there, there is potential for the market to trade up through there and appreciate substantially. Probability is that the market will trade up to around the 970 level and retest that again over the next day or so.